We're not short-staffed, we just work on really tall vehicles. This is Nathan's mini monster truck, the LC70 that's had the full Alpine upgrade kit. So we showed you this last time, how we were putting everything into it. It had the front rear camera, the 9-inch touchscreen, the front rear door pods. There was also 2 subs and an amp going in. But now that it's all finished, we want to give you a tour of the whole vehicle and see how much it's helped Nathan's car with the driving pleasure and the entertainment enhancement inside the car. It is friggin' awesome, and we'll show you how everything works now. So let's have a deeper look at how it all came together. At the front of the car, we've got the Alpine multi-view front camera. So this camera allows 4 different visions. So it can do a 180-degree split view as you're coming out the front of a driveway. It can also look right down. It also has a panoramic view, which is, I think it's about 170 degree. And then it also has its standard front camera. So it's a really, really great way to eliminate any blind spots in the front of the car. So here we have the rear multi-view camera. This camera comes on when you select reverse, but will also come on with the camera override button. And it has the split screen with the panoramic and the drop-down version as well. So really good multi-view camera. Here we've got the front door pod that Alpine have plastic injection molded. It's got a USB charge port. Underneath you'll see the Alpine floodlight. You've got a couple of map pockets as well. And there's a 6x9 mid-base driver inside the door here with a really robust grille. The rear pods, they've got a little cup holder and a USB charge port as well. You may remember in the last video we were showing all the sound deadening, because these speakers have got some great assistance from the 2 layers of Stinger Roadkill and the Focal BAM acoustic matting that we put inside the doors. We didn't put it between the door trim and the door frame because then it would make it too puffy and the door trim wouldn't go on properly. So this is the way we do our LC79 series. And the speakers in this car sound absolutely amazing. So there's a 6x9 coaxial in this door, not a split. In the top corner of the dash you can see the little tweeters sitting up there that come with the front splits. Alpine make a nice little plate that replaced the factory LandCruiser little block-off plates, and it gives a really nice stage height to the front of the system, allowing you to hear the vocals and the high end a lot clearer than being down in the bottom of the door. This also has built-in Tidal, so instead of running it through CarPlay or Android Auto, you can go Tidal directly to Alpine. You'll love the difference that makes in sound quality. You can select HDMI, which brings you to the Google Chromecast, which you can only watch while the vehicle's stationary with the handbrake on. When in motion and the handbrake's released, the screen will switch off. Here's a relocation hazard switch. It used to be mounted up top on the factory head unit. Alpine give you a little relocation because there's a factory block-off plate there. Here you see the DAB antenna, the little on-glass antenna. That helps us pick up all the DAB radio stations. So we fit that to all the cars that want the DAB accessory. And now, unfortunately, you can't get inside to this cavity of the panel. Even with the seatbelt mounted there's no access inside, but that's normal. So you can really hear the difference in the sound deadening there. So all of the Alpine products you've seen in this vehicle are all available now in stock, and they're available online on our new online store. So if you go to phattaudio.com.au, you can even book your book-in on our online store. Don't even have to give us a call if you're a bit too busy. A really great way to shop and get your vehicle fitted at the same time. But don't forget, any questions, please feel free to give us a call.